Logan, don't knock her over. Did you get her? Should we help her back up? Let's help her back up. Come on. Come here. Whoa. Both hands. Both hands. Up. Up. Good baby. Did that kitty knock you over? You still love him anyways? Logan? He's trying to knock me over too. Do you still love him? Good boy. Yeah. It's your kitty. Even if he tries to push you over. Look at him. He loves you. Oh! And the camera. Good buddy. Good buddy.